I don't consider myself patient when I'm painting, but I find this process is really relaxing, and it does require a lot of patience and a lot of concentration. And maybe that's something that you can test and see how you enjoy it, or is it something that you do not like to do? Each one of us have their own, way of applying, how we apply paint and how we process those little steps. See how it works for you. If you want to just add few strokes to create the texture, use a bigger brush. If you want more details and more layers and more texturizing, while you're enjoying the process of doing that, keep doing this. So it's your finding your own style and your own way of how you enjoy painting, and not just having a final product in mind that you want to create. Yes, you would like to maybe paint a cloud and you want to learn the skill how to do it. But while you're doing that, don't let it frustrate you. Let it be an enjoyable process of learning and improving every stroke, with every stroke, with every layer added. I think that part is priceless and is the most enjoyable. I think for me, it's very enjoyable when I do that. And I hope you would find it useful and enjoyable. There you go. I hope you enjoyed watching this dramatic textured cloud come to life. I absolutely love creating clouds like this. It's such a fun and enjoyable process for me, and I can go a little too far with it. But I hope it inspires you to explore your own skies with creativity. Keep practicing, keep experimenting, and most of all, have fun with it.